Hello everyone, I'm Alex. We've received many inquiries about how to pronounce and distinguish Chinese tones. So we've created this video to explain the keys of mastering Chinese tones. Believe me, spending time on this video is totally worth it because what I'm going to talk about will definitely improve your Chinese skills. First of all, Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language, which means that we can use pitch to distinguish the meanings of the words, like ma and ma. These two words have the same initial and final, but they have different pitch inflections. Their tones are different, so they have different meanings. Now, let's take a look at how to pronounce each tone. In Chinese, we have 4 tones and the neutral tone. Remember, the key of mastering Chinese tones isn't about pronouncing them exactly how they are drawn. It's about layer pitch. So let's learn the pitch of each tone. For the first tone, keep in mind that the pitch is high and flat. It doesn't mean you need to use a very high voice, but it should be relatively higher compared to the other tones. Like when you are surprised by something and say, "What?" or "Oh," as in, "Oh my gosh." "What?" "Oh." "啊他今天搬家." So remember, the first tone is a relatively high tone. Now, let's pass over the second tone and focus on the third tone first. The third tone is the opposite of the first tone. It's at the lowest normal point of your voice range, like almost throwing up from your throat. It often sounds creaky, like this. 我想买5匹马. You may have seen that the third tone is introduced as a dipping tone, like 你好. In your real-life conversation, there actually isn't so much dipping, unless you really want to emphasize the syllable, like 好的走吧. But most of the time, it's just super low and flat. No need to worry about the dipping. Instead, focus on the throwing up feeling at your throat. Once you find it, the falling and rising before and after it won't be a problem. But there is an exception when the third tone isn't pronounced as a low tone. When 2 third tones are combined together, the first one will change into the second tone, which is a rising tone. For example, 洗澡洗澡 老虎老虎 勇敢勇敢. Now, let's talk about how to pronounce the second tone. The second tone is a rising tone. Its pitch is from a low point to a high point. So you can remember the second tone as a low-high tone. Like when you say, "What?" for something unbelievable or suspicious. "Huh?" "Ah?" 同学学习如何回答. Do you get it? Now, let's learn the fourth tone. The fourth tone is a falling tone. It's from a high pitch to a low pitch. So you can remember it as a high-low tone, like an angry "What? Hey!" 啊爸那个教室太 太大. It's easy, right? The fourth tone is a high-low tone. It sounds like aggressive, angry, or emotional. Finally, let's learn the neutral tone in Chinese. The neutral tone is a light and short tone. To pronounce it, you simply need to prolong the sound of its previous character. Then you will pronounce the neutral tone naturally. Let's practice together. 漂亮，漂亮。椅子，椅子。我的爸爸，我的爸爸。我的妈妈，我的妈妈。You can think the neutral tone is not like a tone, but more like a special type of rhythm in this language. Alright,